Do you have a board meeting on the calendar? Or a bank review coming up? QuickBooks Online Advanced Management Reports gives you a polished, presentation ready financial package, combining reports, charts, and written commentary, so you can spend less time tediously compiling spreadsheets and financial statements and more time focusing on strategy. Start from a pre built template or create one from scratch. Pull in your KPI scorecard metrics, visualize them as charts, and add narrative commentary directly in the editor. No copy and pasting, no reformatting. Every number stays accurate with dynamic placeholder chips, so your template is reusable and your data is always current. Once your data is within the management report, generate a quick executive summary using the AI summary tool. Customize or add additional commentary by clicking the edit icon. The result? Board ready financials your stakeholders expect, built in a fraction of the time.